Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to open a Cadillac XT6 key fob so that you can replace its internal battery at home. This is a really easy to process. It'll take you under 5 minutes to get the whole thing done, and the only special thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get that, or you just like to pick one up online anyway, I will put a link down in the description that will take you over to Amazon where you can get this exact battery for just a couple of bucks. The only other thing you might want is something like a flathead screwdriver. I'll show you why later. Now, the first step is just to find the button on the bottom right of the device. Go ahead and hold that down while you pull out the internal key. So hold down the button. It can be a little bit hard to do. Once you got it, the button really pressed down, you can slide this key out. And now hang on to the key because we're going to use this to pry off the back section of plastic. So insert the key back into the keyhole just enough to catch on the lip, just enough to catch on the inside. You don't want to put it in too far or this won't work. So you're just inserting. Once it gets kind of stuck there, you just pry up. You'll feel it snap open, and as soon as you have this little bit of an opening on the side, you can just pull it apart with your fingers. There we go. You can pull it apart with your fingers. And now I'm going to show you what I was actually doing there so you'll have an easier time doing this at home. When we insert the key too far, it gets stuck in this plastic and you will not be able to pry the back off. So we want to insert it just enough to catch on this lip here without going so far that it goes inside of that housing. So you're just putting it in that much and prying up. Hope that helps you out. From here, we will use our flathead screwdriver or a pen or pencil, something you have laying around. We're just going to put it under the battery and gently pry the battery up and out. Now you can dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery, and when you're clicking it back in here, make sure the positive side that has the plus on it and that text there is going face down. So you could just click it back in place, face down, and we're pretty much done. We're just going to put this thing back together. So go ahead and set the two halves of the device back on top of each other and just squeeze it all back together and put your key back in there. Slide that key in there and you are done. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to give this video a like, or you can tell me that it helped you out down in the comment section. We always check those out. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back here to this channel. We have video tutorials for the devices from pretty much every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.